Do you know what time it is? It's grass time.
Take one, Mark.
Behind many of the great lawns in your neighborhood, there's a team of experts like me.
And behind every great golf course, there's a team of experts like me.
So, can I get a ride on that one?
No.
You see, Collier and I are agronomists. We study the science behind grass and the ways that variables like region and climate impact lawn care treatments.
Then we apply our findings to treat golf courses.
And homes across the country to ensure that they are thick, green, and healthy.
While the courses I treat often require a somewhat different approach than the lawns Matt treats, when it comes to results, our perspective is the same.
Achieving a healthy lawn isn't done in a day, a week, or even a month. You need an ongoing, year-round plan.
That's right, and we're proud of what we do and the results we deliver, and hope that same sense of pride extends to our golfers.
And our homeowners. Keep watching and we'll talk to you about common lawn problems and how an expert partner like TruGreen will work with you through every season so that those problems become things of the past.
You're John.
Oh, thanks. So what's your favorite part about golf?
Driving the ball is my favorite part. How about you?
19th hole.